Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So for today's video I have created this really nice warm copper eye makeup look, and guys today we are directly moving on to eye makeup. मैं अपना बेस मेकअप नहीं बताने वाली हूँ because मैंने अभी एक वीडियो फिल्म किया है where I was trying one foundation for the first time. मैंने first impressions वीडियो फिल्म किया है. अगर आपने मेरा लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा, आपको पता नहीं है मैं कौन से फाउंडेशन के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, then please do check out my last video. So that's why we are directly moving on to eye makeup today. So then if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I've already primed my eyelid with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. And today I will be using my Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy Eyeshadow Palette. This is such a pretty palette, guys. And these are the eyeshadows. These eyeshadows are perfect for summer. So on my Zoeva 221 Luxe Soft Crease brush, I'm going to take this eyeshadow called In a Pinch, which is this one. I'm going to mainly focus this shadow in my crease. This is our transition color. So I'm blending this eyeshadow first in circular motions like this, and then in windshield wiper motion, back and forth. And now I'm just going to diffuse the edges with my Zoeva 228 crease brush. I love Zoeva brushes, guys. They're so good. You want everything to look nice and soft. Now on my Real Techniques base shadow brush, I'm going to take this one. It's called Extra Spicy, which is this one. So I'm going to mainly focus this eyeshadow on my outer corner. I want to deepen my outer corner, and later on I will be pulling that eyeshadow inwards as well, but it's going to be more dark on the outer corner, okay? And now I'm going to blend it with my Sigma small tapered blending brush. This is the E45 brush. As you saw, I just very gently pulled this color inwards as well. Now again, I'm going to take In a Pinch and blend it. Now on my MAC 239 brush, it's a flat shader brush, I'm going to take this really gorgeous copper, shimmery copper eyeshadow. It's called Spicy MAMI. So I'm going to take this eyeshadow on this brush now, and I'm going to wet my brush and apply it on my eyelid. It's such a pretty eyeshadow, guys. So now I'm again going to take Extra Spicy, which is this one, on my Zoeva 237 Detail Shader brush. So I'm going to apply this eyeshadow now on my lower lash line. and I'm going to buff this eyeshadow, blend this eyeshadow with in a pinch, which is this one. Okay, and I'm going to take this eyeshadow on my PAC 165 brush. Now for my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with Sigma's gel eyeliner. This one is called Wicked. I absolutely love this eyeliner, guys. It's really nice. It's creamy, it's pigmented, it's long wearing. It's just beautiful. It has a beautiful texture. And I'm applying this gel eyeliner with my Sigma winged liner brush E06. Again, I absolutely love this liner brush. And I'm also going to tightline my eye with the same gel liner. And I'm going to line my waterline with ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner in the shade Joyride, which is this one. And today I'm going to coat my lashes with Clinique's High Impact Waterproof Mascara. So I'll just quickly apply my falsies and I'll be right back. Now let's move on to lip color, and today I'm going to apply ColourPop's Luxe Velvet Lip Color in the shade It's a Banger. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is just in the center I'm going to apply this color. It's called Room Service. Again, it's ColourPop's Luxe Velvet Lip Formula.